In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a to-do list in Notion, which is a powerful and versatile tool that allows you to organize your tasks and manage your time effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, navigate to Notion's website. Once you're there, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the Login button, which is typically located in the upper corner of the homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to choose a login method. For most of us, the easiest way is to click on Google. Once you select that option, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you want to use, and you'll be logged into Notion. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your dashboard and click on Marketplace. This is where you'll find an array of templates to get started. Once you're in the Marketplace, type To-Do List into the search bar to find relevant templates that suit your needs. You'll see several options pop up. Browse through these to find a template that appeals to you, and once you've got one in mind, click on it to take a closer look. With your chosen template open, hit the Add button to incorporate it into your Notion workspace. After it's added, look at the side panel and click on Advanced To-Do List, where you will see different filters like Tasks to Come, Tasks Today, and others that help you categorize your to-do items effectively. This step is absolutely key for customizing how you organize and visualize your tasks. To really make the most out of this feature, click on Today to check tasks that need immediate attention. Then go ahead and click on This Week and This Year to examine tasks scheduled for broader timelines. This approach ensures you're on top of priorities and can plan effectively. In the top right corner of the screen, there's a settings icon which grants you access to personalization options. Once clicked, head over to Layout. Here you can select Table to change the view, which is particularly handy if you prefer a more spreadsheet-like visualization. Next, you might want to tweak some of the task attributes. For instance, you can click on Status to update task progress, or click again on Settings and adjust the layout back to what suits your workflow best. Remember, your to-do list is not set in stone. You can change task names to something more intuitive for you in each row, adjust due dates by clicking under the due date column, and even alter the priority settings if your chosen template includes this feature. This flexibility is one of the standout features of Notion, allowing you to make your to-do list as simple or detailed as you need it to be. And there you have it. With this guide, you are now ready to build your own effective to-do list in Notion. Happy organizing!